my beautiful people. My ogbonge people, today topic na about the lady when the husband he meme for Italy. Like the thing is shocktalize me. I don't understand some women, sha. Marriage now do or die something. It's not the tired person now by force. Now by force. A man say he don't want you again. Does it mean say you want force the man? Okay, this woman dey with this man because e get one live video wey the sister for calling. This woman e dey with this man. This man dey always dey threa ten her say him go kpeme am one day. Him go kpeme am one day. He go beat this woman. This woman go wake up for hospital. Still yet he not going to leave the man. I no understand. Still yet he not going to leave the man. This man don't threaten her tire. This man don't do so many things to this woman. The woman no want come see because say he bring her come Europe because of that one. You know. I just the thing just shocked me when I see the video when I see the picture of the very beautiful woman before. You get pikin, you not even pity for your pikin. You just allow this man meme you like that. This woman, when she dey alive, this man go beat her. Police go come, ambulance go come. They'll rush this woman go hospital. See yet this woman say no, he not go leave the man. They do you this thing, this woman. They do you this thing. Who do you this one? Eh? You they see something koro. The person saying as in the way the man they do show say he not get single love for you. Why you not leave this man? Why you not leave this man? This woman you too do, sha. This man they always beats you. This man they tell you say he not get single half love for you. Why you not leave this man? Marriage now do or die. Marriage now do or die. It's not the tired person or not they know. His sister saying go tell and leave this man alone. This man the way they beat you so he not good. Leave this man. He said no. He said because now he bring her come Europe. So if you can't bring you come Europe, now make you can't use your head take carry him. If you bring you come Europe, now make you can't use your head take carry him. Now make you come maybe before your time. Now make you go maybe before your time. My people, I shocked when I see this thing. Marriage not be do or die something. Marriage now what this person supposed to be happy. Marriage not be waiting. You go there inside. You come begin so fight. No. If a man don't they beat you, not give her that chance because a man what they beat woman already. Now a man what they beat woman already. He not go stop. He not get time when he go take stop one day because that beat don't enter his blood. Now he all beat to beat. So he not go ever leave you if you never disfigure your face. That is why you have to run for those kind of men. You have to run for your life. You understand? You have to run for your life. Just see what this man now do to this woman. Now good thing, my people. Now good thing. After the man don't meme the woman, he used knife take meme the woman. He can't call the people saying that meme una pikin no more na can't carry him. You see huh? He say I don't meme una pikin more na can't carry him. Now what did she talk with that one? You waiting in talk na be that one. Yeah, because why the woman not live at that time when the man they misbehave? Now he pikin I can't carry for call police say if papa use knife take meme in mama o. Now police can't come. Now police can't come. This woman are no reason I say he pikin day. You no reason he can't let this man meme. He just meme leave pikin like that. Even God self go verse for you. He go verse for you because you see the handwriting for war, but you don't agree come out. The funny part, my people, this man not they give this woman money. Now this woman go do shoro to take care of this man. This woman I go do shoro to cook. This woman I go do shoro to do everything for house. This man not get the one way he did. This man don't be saying that he get one money where they give this woman, I make it there. You know, they give him anything. What it come make, Mona help me ask this woman, what it make her sit there with the man? Because now she, now did everything. Because he loved the man, and the man bring her come abroad. Because of that one, you don't want to leave the man. That he did with the man, my people. When they see the way our people, they use their hand, they cause problem for themselves. When they see the way that they use their hand, they cause big problem for themselves. A man not get the one way they for her, say no they work. Now you go do shoro to take care of this man. Now you go do shoro to do everything. What it make you sit there with this man? What it make you sit there with this man? Why you not leave this man? Why you come be sure say you let this man remember you before you come finally leave him? Remember you finish, you say, may your people come carry you. My people, if you know say you did this kind of marriage where mad they beat you, I better run. Run for your life. No wait, make it fair happen before you go run. No wait. No wait. Why would they always use our hand to cause problem for ourselves? Why? Eh? Best man go they show you saying no love you. You will still dead there. Now so the other woman that time, now so his boyfriend take me mera for his house too. His boyfriend. This one happen for Germany, yeah. Because he tell the boy say no want again. I want to go settle with my picking papa. Then the boy say, which man to take talker? Now he beat him, man. He beat him. Finish, he come out. As he come out now, he might call the tell and say, I said this woman don't me. Because the way the woman be just now, he want go look whether this woman say they okay. Before he come now, the woman don't me. He not come see it enter his house, he can't run. Now people for compound, he gets one baby where see the suck breast. Now the police now come break door that they can't see picking for his house the next day when the woman already me. No fit carry picking again because he don't go. You see, huh? So this domestic violence, it don't too many for everywhere. I beg, if you did this kind of marriage, when man they beat you like this, I beg run. Run for your life, I beg. Run for your life. We don't want to hear all those things again. Women, no wait because say you marry. Say marriage, you're there they bear it way the man they do you. No. That will not be marriage. All those one are suffering and smiling. Now it be. Eh? See the way this man now, you don't feel want the woman tire. He go bemera one day. The woman sit there. Now I don't finally bemera. It bemera finish say my family can carry a body. Now what you can talk now be that one. So my darling people, I beg more help me share this video. More share and more help me advise this our women the way they did this kind of marriage. Thank you everybody. Take care. Bye.